The Wuling family is celebrating a historic moment. The Starlight 730, the brand's 8 millionth MPV, is now officially available for pre-order. Reflecting Wuling's 15 years of MPV manufacturing expertise, this legendary successor holds many hidden surprises. Despite being a relatively new entry into the MPV market, the Starlight 730 delivers incredible performance. Firstly, the luxuriously designed electric sliding doors utilize a Magna system proven by 100,000 cycle endurance tests. Combined with the 1145 mm high door opening, the vehicle provides easy entry and exit for children and the elderly. Secondly, it offers a triple insurance for family travel with 3 different powertrain options. 500 km pure electric range, 1,100 km hybrid range, and 1,100 km gasoline range. Finally, with the third row folded down, the 1,202-liter trunk capacity can accommodate 6 suitcases, and the 25 storage areas even include dedicated spaces for milk powder cartons. Finally, with special features like B-pillar handles, 50W wireless charging, and a 12.8-inch screen, the Starlight 730 becomes the ultimate mobility vehicle that understands Chinese families. The Wuling MPV family has a remarkable history. The Wuling Hongguang has been a bestseller for 14 consecutive years, and the Baojun 730 has reached 1.4 million households. The Starlight 730 perfectly embodies Wuling's motto of making what people need. Its most striking feature is its true 7-seat living space. With a 2,910 mm wheelbase and a 2+2+3 seating arrangement, the third row offers an impressive 88% space utilization, and the seatbacks can be adjusted 127 degrees, providing VIP living in all 3 rows. It's also worth highlighting its global presence. It takes domestically produced MPVs to the top of their league. The new vehicle offers simultaneous left and right-hand drive, for internationally recognized colors, and a chassis optimized for various road conditions. This move represents a significant transformation for made-in-China products. While many online enthusiasts are reportedly eager to get their hands on the Starlight 730, the first to pre-order are still in China. Transforming from a wealth-generating vehicle to a lifestyle companion, Wuling's new vehicle proves that true performance comes not from extravagant features, but from a precise understanding of user needs. Its true 7-seat design solves the travel challenges of large families. Its electric sliding doors enhance driving pleasure, and its 3-motor system eliminates range anxiety. If the Wuling Hongguang was the national performance car of its era, the Starlight 730, now available for pre-order, writes a new legend as the all-around utility vehicle of the MPV 2.0 era with its proven performance.